Newman. No, mae'n dod i Morgan. Robert sy'n clirio, ddim yn bell iawn, mae'n bell a Greening. Morgan, ceisio mynd teipio. Un mae o, ythyn ni ar draws i Nagi sy'n ceisio i chyfeirio heipio Harrison. Bell heipio'r postyn pella. Spender. Rwan mae'n dod i Mullen. Cyfared a heipio i Hugh. Spender. Un yn yr cwrt Cosby. Mullen, a fedrith ddod ganfod Fletcher, ac yno mae'r Seintiau Newydd, a Wes Fletcher wedi agor y sgorio, 2 yn erbyn y bala wythnos dwytha, a mae wedi sgorio yma yn y Barri heno. Hudson rwan, Litsaws tuag at Robbie Parry, Morgan yn meddwl, thorri allan nath o ddim. Mae Parry'n camu heibio ar draws Aaron Edwards. Yn disgyn i Mullen. Spender, tu mewn i'r amddiffynwr ar draws ag at Aaron Edwards. Arbediad o didog a'i draed gan Lewis, ond fa hiang Ynys Monach o'r cliriad ar draws ag at Fletcher. Spender a ail gyfla. Ond mae allan am gig gornel. Holland allan i Mullen. Spender di fynd i mewn. Mullen heibio'r eilydd Sam Jones. Thyn ni ar draws ag at y postyn pella yno o Aaron Edwards. Ac unwaith eto methu ffeindio cefn y rhwyd. A cerio le lawr y dde gan Spender. Mae'r Routledge di weld cyffyrddiad cyntaf 2 lwybr Mullen. Cyfuniad da rhwng Spender a Mullen. Fletcher yn troi'n gelfydd yn y cwrt Cosby. Ond methu cyfeirio'r bêl, eibio i Michael Lewis. Bydd wirodd iddi ar am ddiffynwr y Barri. Symudiad da gan y Seintiau Newydd. Cooper. Solliad wych i lwybr Sadler. A mae Seinti di parhau ar ediad. Mae'n disgyn i Sam Jones ar ymyl. O cwrs Jones ar ergyd. Mae heibio y postyn.
And obviously strength tonight were Simon Spender and Jamie Millen down that right-hand side, and you know Jamie's cross and a good run by Wes Fletcher near post for the goal.
Yeah, that's right. That's what we work on. You know, that's our sort of our strength. We play with those two who've got a very good understanding together, and it showed tonight that they created 4, 5, 6 chances. They were our outlet tonight. So you know, another night could have been 3 or 4. I've got to be honest, but didn't put the chance away. And if you're not ruthless, then Barri are always in the game, so it can come back to hurt you.
Obviously, looking at Cardiff Met last year, they struggled to get their first victory, you know, in the league. Do you take heart from what they did last year?
A little bit, yeah, but I don't think we're struggling. You know, I'm really happy against Aberystwyth. We've done well against Prestatyn. We were comfortable for long periods, and this evening, you know, we've gone toe-to-toe in the second half with arguably the best team in the league. You know, so there's loads for me to be proud of and positive, but I don't want to be a proud loser. You know, I just want to look at it now as a coach, take the messages going forward, and look forward to Newtown.